Nice to meet you, my dear watercolor friends. My name is Anastasia Petraeva, and today I decided to choose another interesting subject for you. It will be stones and reflections with transparent water. And this topic is one of my favorite, and I decided to show you some techniques which will be useful for you when you're decided to choose something natural, something about water. And you can apply these techniques in plein air painting as well. Let's start with pencil drawing. I decided to choose this triangle stone and this small stone. I don't want to take each stone from this reference. I just want to pick some of them and I will show you a technique. Arch, Honeymoon, and other brands which you prefer, but it should be 100% of cotton. I will use such white flat brush for wetting the paper before I start. I will use such white flat brush number 25. It could be something like this, something similar. The hair of this brush should be soft enough to be washes. I will use calligraphy brush for the light, and I will apply this tone in the zone of light. I will use Royal King's Blue. I decided to choose such cold color because of the cold lighting. Environment is blue, our sky is blue. We can know about this fact because of the color of the water. And I will apply such blue color in the light zone. I will apply this color to all the surface of the stone. It's okay. And also you can apply this color to the reflection. I will use shell pink and orange with ultramarine again because I would like to mix more color. Okay. And I will apply this color to the zones of reflection from the stones. I will cover the zone of this small stone as well. It's okay. I use warm colors, yellow, orange. In some places I feel a little bit burgundy and violet color here. It's because of the color of the sky. You can see such violet shadows. It's okay. But don't forget about light colors closer to the zone of reflection. I would like to use primary yellow with cerulean, and you can see such greenish tint. I would like to apply this color for this zone of light in the stone underwater. As well, I would like to apply this greenish tint for this small stone. You can see it in the reference. And I would like to cover this surface as well. Okay. Which looks like caustic effect. Caustic effect, it's a light through the water, and we can see such light stripes on the surface of water. And let's continue. And I come closer to this area. If you have more time, you can apply thin lines. And work with more details here. I'd like to apply cobalt green light for this zone and remove some colors to make some zone lighter. Sometimes around the reflection we can see light zone, and I would like to leave small light zone around the dark reflection. I will apply blue color inside such zones, and I will apply water to avoid the contrast. And you can see such light effect around the reflection. I think it's a really beautiful effect, and sometimes in a good reference it's visible. And you can see that I use ultramarine or cobalt number 2 by Mingello, and inside such light zone I will apply blue color, but I'm trying to blur this strong contrast. And I will continue. This light zone, it's really beautiful effect, and with such light zone around the reflection your work looks more realistically. But you should make this difference not so obvious, not so visible, and make this surface more interesting. The strokes work only if you use really transparent color. Okay, and let's finish this work. I hope this lesson was useful for you, and I will be waiting for your results on the hashtag #NastyLessons and in the comment in my group. Always welcome, and I really glad to see your results. See you soon, my dear watercolor friends.